Do you ever have a feeling that something just isn't quite right, or that you should take a certain action, even if it doesn't seem logical? That's your intuition speaking, and it's a powerful tool that can help guide you through life's challenges. But how can you learn to listen to your intuition and use it effectively? In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating topic of intuition and how to develop it so that you can tap into its power. We'll share some tips on how to cultivate your intuition and use it to make better decisions in your personal and professional life. But first, let's talk about why intuition is such an important tool to have in your arsenal. Imagine being able to tap into a sixth sense that provides you with valuable insights, clarity, and direction when you're faced with difficult decisions. With intuition, you can have a deeper understanding of the world around you and trust your instincts in ways that you never thought possible. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of your intuition and take your decision-making skills to the next level, then this video is for you. Get ready to learn some exciting tips and techniques that will help you cultivate your intuition and use it to your advantage in every area of your life. According to Steve Jobs, the late co-founder of Apple, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Jobs believed that intuition was a key factor in his success and that it allowed him to create innovative products that changed the world. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey, the media mogul and philanthropist, once said, "I've trusted the still, small voice of intuition my entire life, and the only time I've made mistakes is when I didn't listen." Winfrey credits her intuition for guiding her through difficult decisions and helping her build a media empire that includes a television network, magazine, and book club. These successful billionaires and entrepreneurs are not alone in their belief in the power of intuition. Research has shown that our intuition can help us make better decisions by providing us with information that our conscious mind might overlook. It can help us see patterns and connections that we might otherwise miss, and it can also provide us with a sense of confidence and direction. So how can you cultivate your intuition and use it to your advantage? The key is to start paying attention to your inner voice and to trust yourself. This means taking the time to reflect and listen to your thoughts and feelings, even if they don't seem to make sense at first. One of the most important steps in developing your intuition is to start paying attention to your inner voice.
What the hell are you?
I am Venom.
Your inner voice is the voice inside your head that speaks to you, often in the form of thoughts, feelings, or ideas. It's the voice that tells you what you really want and what's important to you and what you need to do to achieve your goals. However, many people ignore their inner voice or dismiss it as being irrational or impractical. This is often because we're taught to rely on logic and reason, and we're not encouraged to trust our instincts or gut feelings. But the truth is that our intuition can be a valuable source of information, and it's important to learn how to listen to it. One way to start paying attention to your inner voice is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This means observing your thoughts and feelings without trying to change or control them. By practicing mindfulness, you can start to notice when your inner voice is speaking to you and what it's trying to tell you. Another way to tune into your inner voice is to journal. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you gain clarity and insight into what you're really thinking and feeling. It can also help you identify patterns and connections that you might otherwise miss. By paying attention to your inner voice, practicing mindfulness, journaling, and trusting yourself, you can develop your intuition and tap into its power to make better decisions in all areas of your life. Remember, intuition is a valuable tool that can help you achieve your goals and create the life you truly want. That's all for today's video on how to use your intuition. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Remember, intuition is a powerful tool that can help you navigate life's challenges and make better decisions. So take the time to pay attention to your inner voice, practice mindfulness, and trust yourself. You never know where your intuition might lead you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information. And if you have any questions or feedback, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.